On this episode of JRP Unboxed, we're going to unbox this BMC Air Filter for this beautiful 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300. Why do you want to run a BMC Air Filter? Well, lucky for you, we've made a video on that. Check the link in the description below and wait till the end of the video and click on one of them videos and you can watch the video on K&N versus BMC. So, one of the benefits of getting a BMC Air Filter, other than all the filter benefits inside the box, is you're going to get it in really good packaging. Wha-bam! BMC labeled plastic. And then you get fancy instructions on how to maintain your beautiful BMC filter. Beautifully oiled and molded polyurethane. We're going to show you guys the factory filter in a bit, and you're going to see that it's just, the quality just isn't there. Oh, we got some propaganda right away. They give you some stickers. Tells you stop, do not discard. You want to put that on your car so nobody throws away your beautiful filter when they're servicing your car. So you guys can see they got fancy instructions, every step you need. They also got some warranty information because all good companies warranty their work. You get some beautiful stickers. Look at the quality on these. You know the product's good when they put the quality into their stickers. And that's it. You get BMC label plastic. So let's go put this bad boy in and see how much better Chris James's car breathes. All right, so we're gonna put this BMC air filter in. This is our air box on this beautiful C300 right here. First step is to take your T25 Torx and unscrew these two Torx screws right here. Now, next step is to take off this plastic cowl. There will be a rubber holder here, 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 and here. So you just kind of nudge it up gently, and then you can move it out of the way. And that way it just gives you a little bit more room to open your airbox. Next up is to take a flathead screwdriver, and you're just going to open up this Jubilee clamp over here. Oh, don't forget to pull this piece of plastic out of the way too for your intake tube. So you just got to remove this plastic piece right here. That way you can already see there's some dirt in here because the air box hasn't been cleaned in some time. So we'll take care of that. So we undid these Torx, we undid the Jubilee clamp, so we're just going to slide this open to allow us to rotate up and access our air filter. And just pull it out. Oh, as you can see, everybody, look how dirty this is. And let's just do a little side-by-side comparison right there. Everybody can see this air filter has not been changed in quite some time. Like, look at all that. That's why you want to change your air filter regularly, especially in a turbocharged car. Very important because you need that car to breathe good. All right, so without further ado, we're going to put in this fresh air filter. And this C-Class is going to breathe beautifully. All right, so now that that's in there, we're just going to do the reverse of what we've done. But before that, let's wipe out some of the dirt around here. Let's wipe out some of the dirt around here. That way we can ensure this machine will breathe good and we don't just muck up our old filter right away. And then putting it back is pretty much just the reverse of what we did. So, oh, even the way it fits in there feels so much more snug. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for more JRP Unboxed episodes. Also, click on the link here if you want to see us install a blow-off valve in the same machine as well. And don't forget to click on that icon, you know, to give us a subscribe if you enjoyed this stuff. So, thanks again, guys. Bye for now.